Hey, it's Mark here from Visoid. I guess you have tried AI rendering as everyone talks about it, but there is a high chance you haven't succeeded. You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 3 essential tips on how to render your design with AI, precisely within a few minutes. Let's go. AI rendering is fast, but it's not magic. You need to communicate your vision to the models in a clear and easy way. There are 3 essential things to keep in place for a stunning rendering like this: the input, the settings, and the prompt. Let's look at these in detail. Your rendering is as good as the input it has been created from. Good composition, good angle, and a clean input is a must-have. You should have everything on the input that you have already decided: building elements, materials, surrounding, furniture, but nothing more. Extra lines, modeling grid, trashy geometry, the AI model will render it. In Visoid, there are 2 ways to achieve a good input. You can upload your 3D model directly and use the optimized 3D viewer to set the scene, or you can upload an image, like a screen grab from your design software. When working with the latter, it is especially important to set the screen in a clean way in your design application before exporting the image. Once you have the right input, the next step is to set the correct settings. As Visoid can be used with a various type of input, from textured 3D models to sketches, it is important to set the model to a desired behavior. You have the main slider and the advanced settings to fine-tune the model's creativity compared to the input image. Shall it follow or create new textures? Add surroundings. These sliders will set the right way. Last but not least, the famous prompt. It is easier than what you think, but there is a high chance your prompting can be optimized. In short, Visoid is not ChatGPT. You can't have a conversation with it. Prompting in Visoid is a simple descriptive language where you describe the desired look of your final rendering. We recommend to use short labels structured in the following way, starting with the subject and going into the details after. Visoid can actually understand pretty complex descriptions, so don't be afraid of writing too much. You can even write full sentences, if that helps you. Let's see what we cooked up here. Click on Generate. Wait a few seconds. And here it is. Don't be disappointed if the outcome is less good of a match with your vision. AI rendering is an iterative process. Inspect your image, see what's different, and adjust our settings or prompt accordingly. If you need bigger changes or want to test variations, Visoid has a variety of editing tools too. In 5 to 10 minutes, you should be able to land on an image like this, export it in 4K, and move on with your day. Following these 3 essential tips, you will be able to create stunning renderings in less than 10 minutes. You can use all the time you save to do more, improve the design, or spend more time on design with a cup of coffee. So stop waiting, head to visoid.com and try it yourself. See you next time.